Well, now that we're in the home stretch, campaigns are turning to social media in hopes of getting an advantage, but they're not looking at their posts, they're looking at your posts. As Bill O'Neill shows us, a company named AdVictory, which helps elect Republican candidates, is using language analysis in our state and other key swing states.
The man behind this effort says monitoring apps such as Twitter, Reddit, Facebook produces a mountain of information that can help campaigns hone their message and reach out to voters.
Your post about the presidential race or North Carolina's U.S. Senate race reaches farther than you think. Your friends and followers aren't the only ones taking notice. A company that works on political campaigns is analyzing your words and turning them into data.
Really, the most important part of it is this doesn't come from asking questions. This doesn't come from, picking specific people to talk to. This just comes from what, the whole of the conversation and what people proactively put out there and trying to turn that into actionable data.
Meldrum says analyzing social media can let a campaign know if its latest TV ad is resonating with voters.
A week later, okay, we can have some assurance that our media is resonating with people and they're talking about those issues maybe in a way we want them, hopefully in a way we want them to, maybe sometimes in a way we don't want them to.
Analyzing comments online can also identify what issues strike a chord with voters. For example, Meldrum found last month North Carolina posted a lot more online about absentee ballots than Florida. Here's one of the posts in that analysis. Quote, North Carolina already has over 643,000 absentee ballot requests. Fewer than 20% of those are Republican.
I certainly think it could give people, more information, help them spot things that they wouldn't have otherwise known, see shifts in the conversation they wouldn't otherwise been able to pick up.
So what does the language analysis tell us about the presidential race? Meldrum says the ongoing Supreme Court nomination process helped Republicans.
You saw the Republicans jump about 3 or 4 points and get it to about even or +1 from a support index point of view. Through the last month, that's dropped off, and you now see the Democrats at about 3 or 4 positive in the support index.
Support index, says Meldrum, measures the positive and negative comments made online and helps determine the gap between the two candidates. Meldrum says in North Carolina's U.S. Senate race, Democratic challenger Cal Cunningham took a hit from his recent sex scandal.
What you see with this is the Senate race tightening up on that support index. It had previously been a lot wider for Cunningham to Tillis.
He says Cunningham's lead fell by 3 points over the last month, a decline he attributes to the scandal.
Meldrum says social media analysis doesn't replace polling. It is a cheaper form to help people better understand voters. In Greensboro, I'm Bill O'Neill, WXII 12 News.